What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I have a sponsored review for a product that was sent to me from SrJaZk Electronics, and this is their 3-in-1 wireless charging station. So this product retails for $40, super low price, but it will charge up your Apple AirPods, your Apple Watch, and also your iPhone or other smartphone devices that feature Qi charging all in one. So for $40, I feel like that's pretty reasonably priced. I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested in checking it out and purchasing one for yourself after watching this review. But that's enough of this intro. Let's get into the review and check out this product. Alright guys, so here's everything that comes included with the 3-in-1 wireless charging station. So as you see here, we have the charging station itself. They do also include a wall adapter, and it's not just a regular one, it's an actual 3-port Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 adapter, which is very nice. I mean, these retail for like $15 bucks, I don't know, on Amazon just by itself. This whole thing is $40, which is still kind of crazy. And USB Type-C, so that it uses a USB Type-C cable is included with this as well. So all you need is one cable, and you can use this. Like I said, this is really great for maybe travel, or if you need another setup here for your office or wherever it is, another place in your home to be able to charge your different devices. So this does work with the Apple AirPods. It works with all the current available ones, which is the 1 and 2. It also will work with Apple Watches. It will not work with the newest 4 and 5 version of Apple Watch, only 1 through 3. So I have a version 1 right here. I'm going to show you guys with that. And it will work with any smartphones that feature Qi charging. And there's actually 2 different coils in here, depending on if the placement, the position of the Qi charger in your phone is a little bit different. There's actually 2 coils in here, so you should be good to go. All right, so let's talk about the actual adapter itself. So this thing is basically really light plastic. It has a really nice matte finish to it, but it's super lightweight. Nothing too crazy as far as like any other materials. It's just a plastic thing. But $40, I don't think you expect this to be like made of anything substantial, okay? But it has a really nice finish to it. It looks really nice. It has like a kind of a vented look right here, as you can see. So it actually features a fan, as you can see in the back right there. So that is actually a fan that will turn on to keep this whole entire thing cool, because when you're charging 3 devices, especially using Qi chargers, those tend to heat up a little bit. So this actually has a built-in fan here to keep everything nice and cool and light. So like I said, this will work with the Apple AirPods, and so let's get into that part first. So when it comes to AirPods, if you notice the curve right here is actually pretty large. That's a really big large curved opening, and that's because it will allow you to use AirPods that have cases on them, like I have right here. I always have an AirPod inside the case. I never take it out, and so if that's the case, you can just pop it onto there, and it will totally charge it just fine. Granted, the case I have on it does not allow me to see the little button there, the light, because the light's facing the other direction. But if you have other types of cases on them, this will allow you to use it with that. If you don't have a case, then it's totally fine. You have plenty enough space to pop it onto there, and that will do just a good enough job. Now, other cool thing is too, if you have the wireless AirPods, you can actually place the wireless AirPods right there, and it'll charge it through the Qi charger through the pad as well. So that's that part right there. The other thing is it has a built-in puck for the Apple Watch, and so that is magnetic, and that will hold the Apple Watch to there. It's not plugged in right now, so it's not going to charge it up, but it is actually magnetic, and so that will stay strapped onto there, and that'll be pretty good to go. And then, like I said, you have the dock right here for the Apple iPhone, and so that fits pretty much really easily. Any kind of iPhones, you just pop it up to there, and it works with a big variety of iPhones. So let me go ahead and plug it in and show you how everything works when it's charging up. Okay, so I have it plugged in right now, so we're going to put the Apple AirPods right there. I took the case off of it just so you can see it is charging it up. Take the Apple Watch, just pop it onto there. It is charging up the Apple Watch, and then you just take an iPhone. Even if the iPhone is in a case, my iPhone's actually in a wallet-style case. It actually mentions probably not to use wallet-style cases. It's not really thick wallet-style case. It just has like one little flap right here. But even through the case, it will charge up the phone really well. So right now, it's charging all 3 devices. The AirPods are actually fully charged, so it doesn't need to keep charging them anymore. But that does charge all 3 things. And if you do, like I said, have a case on your AirPods and maybe it doesn't fit on there and you don't want to take it out of the case, you can actually place it right here against this, and it will charge up the AirPods right there. As you can see, the green light turned on. There you go. So if you get in the right position, the coil right there will charge the back of the AirPods if you have the wireless charging ones. So that, as you can see, not too bad for $40, the fact that you could charge 3 devices. So this is like a perfect, like I said, perfect setup if you have a need for maybe to have a travel charger, so you only have to take 1 cable with you, 1 wall adapter. You can charge all 3 of your devices as you see fit, or if you have like an office setup and you need to have all this able to charge these things up when you're away from the home or whatever. But for $40, that's kind of crazy. I would think that would cost more than $40 to get like a charging puck for the Apple Watch, to get another charger for the, just a lightning cable for the wireless charger. If you wanted to get a Qi charger by itself, and then you have the Qualcomm quick charge AC adapter, like all those things would probably cost you more than $40. So this is a pretty good value, pretty good deal if you're asking me. So that is it for me today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, post them down below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. If you guys want to purchase this product, like I said in the beginning, I'll have a link down below in the description to make that really easy to find. If you want to check out some of my other videos, I got 2 of the clips over here you can click on, and if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all my new reviews as they get dropped on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video review.